Hello, my shiny Cash Kiddos. It's me, Goldy the Coin.
Woohoo!
Your host, your quiz master, your official guide to the world of money. Ready to test those super smart brains?
Uh-huh.
Let's begin. Question 1. What is currency? Correct. Currency is the official money of a country. Like me, I'm a shiny piece of it. Coins and bills are a team currency. Question 2. What does the United States use as a currency? Ding, 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 ding! The US dollar. Pennies, nickels, quarters, a whole family of shiny cuties. Wow! Question 3. Who is on the US penny? Yep, Abraham Lincoln. Question 4. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Correct, the British pound. Pence and pounds, very royal, very fancy. Question 5. What appears on some UK coins? Is it me? Nope. It's castles, animals, and famous events. UK coins are like tiny history books. Educational. Question 6. What currency does Japan use? Konnichiwa. Yen. That's the correct answer. Soft on eyes, strong in the wallets. Question 7. What appears on some Japanese coins? Oh, yes, cherry blossoms. Money that blooms right in your pocket. Question 8. What does India use as a currency? Correct! Rupees. Their coins even have lions and tigers. Roar money. Question 9. What animals show up on some Indian coins? Yes, lions and tigers. But don't worry, they don't bite, they just shine. Question 10. What is the currency of Switzerland? You got it. Swiss francs. Question 11. What do Swiss coins sometimes show? Yes, that's correct. Mountains, flowers, and famous people. A perfect mix of nature and culture. Very Swissy. Question 12. What is China's currency? It's the Yuan. Their bills are beautifully detailed, like tiny art pieces. Question 13. What currency does Norway use? The mighty krone, a coin fit for explorers and adventurers. Question 14. What design appear on Norwegian money? Yes, Viking ships, salmon, and royal figures. That's right, these really sailed through the history. Question 15. What do many countries in Europe use as a currency? Correct! Euros! One big money family with cool designs from every country. Woohoo! You did it, my brilliant Cash Kiddos! You finished Goldy's World Money Quiz! You learned about coins, bills, history, and you survived all my jokes! See you around and keep kidding around with cash!
Piggy bank bank smash, clink clank crash, the brothers in a flash.